Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Order Flow VWAP, a powerful combination of two essential trading concepts that can significantly enhance your trading analysis. This advanced tool merges the insights for the volume weighted average price, which is the VWAP, with real-time order flow data, providing a comprehensive view of market dynamics. By understanding and utilizing the order flow VWAP, you can gain a clearer picture of price trend, identifying key support and resistance levels, and make more informed trading decisions. So stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to implement this strategy effectively in your trading routine and potentially improving your trading results. Now, what is the order flow VWAP? The order flow VWAP is a powerful analytical tool that combines two essential trading concepts. The first one is the order flow analysis. This is the order flow analysis with the volume weighted average price, which is the VWAP. This combination provides traders with a comprehensive view of the market dynamics, offering insights into both price trends and real-time trading activity. The VWAP, or the volume weighted average price, is a technical indicator that calculates the average price of an asset throughout the trading day. Weighted by the volume, it is computed by multiplying price by volume for each trade, summing these values and dividing them by the total volume. Now, the VWAP serves as a benchmark, helping traders to determine the current price are above or below the average trading price. So let's see how we can incorporate this into our trading strategy and how we can master the order flow VWAP. We start by establishing our trend. Begin by identifying the overall market trend using the VWAP line, which is this black line. This is the VWAP indicator, this black line. If price is trending above the VWAP, consider the market to be in an uptrend. When price is trading above this VWAP, we consider it to be in an uptrend. Then when price is trading below the VWAP, we consider this a downtrend. This is typical example. When price is trading above it, resting above the line, it acts as a support region, signifying an uptrend. Then when price is trading below at this area, it acts as a resistance and it is in a downtrend. So that's how we identify our overall market trend. The next step is to identify your key levels. Once you have established your trend, you focus on identifying key levels. Now, the VWAP line often acts as a dynamic support in an uptrend and a dynamic resistance in a downtrend. You have to pay close attention to how price reacts when it approaches the VWAP line. This interaction can provide valuable insight into potential entries and exit points. The next, you have to analyze your order flow. Now, incorporate your order flow analysis into your decision making. You look for higher volume activities near the VWAP levels, and higher volume activities are these tick lines. These are the tick lines area. This can indicate significant interest from market participants. You have to pay particular attention to imbalances between price buyers and sellers. Large buy orders accumulate near the VWAP in an uptrend, which could signal continued bullish momentum, while heavy sell orders are in a downtrend, might indicate persistent bearish market. These are the areas we are talking about, these marked points. So we have to watch out for these areas when they occur close to our VWAP indicator. Now, for a long position, for an uptrend, look for instances where price pull back to your VWAP. When price pulls back to your VWAP, you confirm this with a strong buy. This is confirmed with a strong buying interest, and you VWAP acts as a support. Strong buying interest, VWAP acts as a support. In the order flow data, we look at strong buying interest from the order flow data. As we can see, this green line from our order flow data signifies strong buying interest. This is what it means. Now, in a bearish trend, for a downtrend, you have to seek for opportunities to enter short position when price rises to the VWAP. When we notice price has started trading below the VWAP, we wait for price to rise back and touch the VWAP. When price has touched the VWAP, we confirm using our order flow. You can see it is showing a strong red colored in this area, signifying strong bearish pressure. This is how we use this with our order flow data. And the VWAP acts as a resistance. That's why it came to retest this area. So when price rise to the VWAP and encounters a resistance, coupled with a heavy selling activity on your order flow analysis, you can also confirm using your volume indicator. To strengthen your entry, always consider using your trading volume. And at this area where we saw our retest, where our VWAP acted as our resistance line, we can see the volume was increased, coupled with the order flow analysis that showed strong selling pressure by signifying this red line. This would have been a good place to enter the trade at the retest. This would have been a good place to enter the trade at the retest. Now, for your buy trades, when price is trading above and you have confirmed there was a retest of this area coupled with strong buying pressure in this area, strong buying pressure in this area, this is the retest, strong buying pressure in the area through your volume, through your order flow analysis tool, you would enter your buy position. Remember to implement strict risk management by setting an appropriate stop loss. In an uptrend, you place your stop loss just below the recent swing low. So just below the recent swing low in an uptrend. Or you can put it below your VWAP line. Putting the stop loss below your VWAP line can be a good place. You just give it enough room, like 20 pips. The total profit, take stop loss of 20 pips. Then in a buy trade, in a sell trade, you put it just above your VWAP line, where your VWAP acts as a resistance. This is how we set our stop loss. This approach helps you to protect your capital while still allowing room for normal price fluctuation. Now, to determine your take profit, which is your step 7, you utilize the VWAP standard deviation band. Now, this band typically represents 1, 2, 3 standard deviation from your VWAP line. You can consider the first standard deviation band for conserved targets and the outer band for more aggressive trades. Always adjust your trading targets on the overall market context in your risk tolerance. So if you want to use the VWAP for your take profit and take stop loss, for your take profit rather, you just include your band multiplier, and we use this outer band as an area of take profit region. This is basically what we'll use it for. We'll use it for our take profit region, where it squeezes or where it contracts. This is where you'll be looking to target as your take profit. Now, throughout your trade, you have to monitor the order flow and price action around your VWAP area. You have to monitor this around your VWAP area so that you know when price would want to reverse in your direction. When price decides to trade In terms of a selling trade, remember we are trading when price is below your VWAP line. The moment you notice price is coming to trade above the VWAP line, this is when you should exit your trade. Then in terms of a buying trade, the moment you spot price is coming to trade below the VWAP line, you exit your trade. This is why it's good to monitor your trade for sudden surge in the opposite order flow near your target levels, because this might signal time to consider closing your position. This is basically how we can incorporate this with our trading strategy. Now let's look for another selling opportunity. When price is trading below our VWAP line, we wait for a retest. After we see our retest, we confirm using our order flow data. As you can see, this area, this line here is a strong bearish line, a red line signifying a strong bearish line. This is where we want to enter our trade after the retest. Remember, you set your stop loss just above the swing high or above your VWAP line that's acting as a resistance, and you can target using your outer layer of your VWAP outer band. When you add your bands, you can target the band, the outer band as your take profit area. This will give us a solid 1:3 risk to reward ratio trade. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. Now, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.